Hey all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How you all are doing? And yes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, this is Vaishnavi Acharya and I'm skincare videos, makeup videos, some sort of vlogs and also review videos are my thing now. And yeah, if you're interested, you can go ahead and clicking that subscribe button. With that, let's get ahead into the video. Let me give you just a disclaimer sort of thing. तो आज का जो वीडियो है ये लिपस्टिक के ऊपर है and I have recently got my hands over this lipstick which are from Cuffs and Lashes. This is, I can say, my second product from Cuffs and Lashes and I got this lipsticks in a giveaway which is given by Anushka Padgaonkar. I just love her. She's amazing. I can say she's my inspiration. Now I will try कि बहुत ज़्यादा short हो, informative भी हो and you know I don't want to waste आप लोगों का time because I got a lot of comments in which you guys are saying कि ज़्यादा मत बोलो sort of thing. पर कैसा होता है ना, if I don't talk only तो आपको कैसे समझेगा actually में मेरा. So as I said, I'm very raw with you all. I won't lie. Actually, ट्रेन का आवाज आ रहा है. Okay, never mind. So actually, I was looking for this lipsticks. I was going to purchase this, but coincidentally, she hosted a giveaway in which I got this lipsticks, and I am very happy for that. So honestly, Cuffs and Lashes बहुत ज़्यादा affordable brand है, and अगर आप मेरे channel पे review के videos देखोगे, you can observe one thing that I only make videos जिसमें you can get your hands over some really cool affordable products, and you will definitely like them. Bug. Now just directly get to the point. So these are the lipsticks जिसके बारे में हम बातें करने वाले हैं. First, let me start with the brand. So this brand, which is Cuffs and Lashes, is from Nidhi Katiyar. Totally love her videos also. The way she portrays her products, or you can say everything related to makeup is, I'm a fan of it. Let's directly get into the products and all. So firstly, as usual, we will talk about the outer packaging. Now this is a box kind of thing जिसके ऊपर doodles and all है, that is drawings and all है. And if you have watched her video while launching, she said that she herself designed this packaging which is really Gen Z. I can say it's so cool, it's super Gen Z. I can say मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, बहुत ही classy and all है. And you know this is something different. I have seen packaging जो बहुत ही classy रहते, classy in the sense it's up to the mark. I can say कि मतलब if it's a brand it will only portray colors के साथ, highlights के साथ and stuff like that. But she literally did a lot. Okay, मेरा फुसफुस है, that is air freshener, उसका आवाज आया. So never mind. इसमें जो packaging and all है, it is white and black में packaging and I loved how beautifully the doodle design is. It's such kind of transparent as well as covered packaging जिसपे doodle lips लिखा भी है and it says like Cuffs and Lashes set of 3 and back of the packaging you get again the ingredients wala thing, expiry date as well as the manufacturing date and all. So the expiry date is May 2026 and the manufacturing is June 2023. So almost 3 साल तो अच्छे से चलेंगे ये. And yeah, that's that. Whole box is travel friendly. Like इतना छोटू box है ना, छोटू in the sense as compared to the other lipstick के box के kits, बहुत ही ज्यादा travel friendly. You can keep it in your छोटा सा wallet also. It will आराम से बैठ जाएगा. Again, I like such kind of travel friendly lipstick क्योंकि मेरे पास lipstick होके भी I don't wear them because जब भी बाहर जाती हूँ it is a tough task for me to keep lipsticks and all. So for me it's, I can say packaging is 10 on 10 and I loved how beautiful the detailing is. Again and again I'll say, again talking about the packaging के बारे में बात ही कर रहे हैं, तो let me tell you all, it is made in India, it is 100% cruelty free, it is vegan and I love these products. I love getting my hands over the products which are completely cruelty free. So now let's move ahead towards the inner packaging. For going ahead towards the inner packaging, let me tell you all कि इसमें ये जो kit है ऐसे 6 kits मिलते हैं and in total we have 18 beautiful, versatile, wonderful, amazing, stunning shades. I can say I love all of them because when I watched a video now, she said that it is suitable for all skin tones. She have made such kind of shades जो हर skin tone पे अच्छे से जाएंगे. I love how dedicated she is towards her work and I love such kind of people. So hands on, I love it. Okay, I love it. जाने से पहले let me tell you all कि I have just swatched this lipstick for like once, but I just want to test it in front of you all also. So ऐसे you can open it and you have the stunning beautiful 3 mini lipsticks, super mini size I can say, and I love it. You all must be wondering why do I like such mini lipsticks and all, because one and only thing I will say कि बहुत ज़्यादा travel friendly होते हैं and again ऐसे कि हम लोग बाहर जाने के लिए मेकअप करते हैं, अगर बाहर ही जाके अपन लोग टच अप के लिए लिपस्टिक ना लिए तो क्या ही करें. Are you guys ready? Yeah, this is the beautiful 3 lipsticks. You can say finger से भी छोटी size की है ये. And again, now talking about the inner packaging, again it's in white and black का hint है and I just love how beautiful they have created it. यहाँ पे आपको खाली शेड नेम मिलेगा and the brand's name, that is Curves and Lashes. बहुत ही minimal packaging है which is really nice. बाहर doodle है, so I can say कि अंदर minimal is really classy. Okay. About the inner packaging, the product is very lightweight and I guess this product weighs 2 gram, I can say. That is all about the inner packaging. Right now I have 3 shades with me, which are Artsy, Bear Doodle and Quirky Nude. Again, all of these 3 are my shade. Okay, I like such kind of shades. They are in cool warm tone as well as they are in nudish tone, which I really like. They are in nudish tone. Again, brown shade say you will like the shade as well, pinkish brown, and I loved that it is multicolor. पता ही चलेगा कि कौन से शेड से you will definitely love it. And I can say at the end of the video, ये वीडियो देखने के बाद you will definitely go and what you will do, you know, आप जाके add card कर दोगे. Lipstick definitely will love it. Before swatching the lip shades, I want to tell कि I am a quite fan of bullet lipstick these days, क्योंकि जो liquid lipstick है ना, अभी नहीं, you can see all of my videos I prefer going for the bullet lipstick, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है ना कि liquid lipstick बहुत ज्यादा heavy होती है lips के ऊपर and it feels like, oh my god, how can I, you know, how can I be normal with this lip shades? And I cannot bear heavy shaped lips, I can say. और liquid lipstick matte होती है, which is a plus point, but definitely the I can say con is that बहुत ज्यादा heavy रहती है, बहुत ज्यादा चाप लगता है lips, so I don't like it. I go for bullet lipstick, which is really lightweight and I like that fact. तो अगर मेरे आप videos देख रहे हो तो definitely you are going to see such kind of lipsticks जो lips के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा light है. Otherwise, I just said कि starting में मुझे वीडियो बड़ा नहीं बनाना है. We will quickly move ahead towards the lip swatching thing. Start off with Quirky Nude, and this is amazing, beautiful, ready. Very first shade is this Quirky Nude, and I can say agar I have to talk about the formula and all, I love it because it's super I can say soft. अगर हाथ में इतना soft है तो lips पे कितना ही soft होगा, just imagine. Can you see how beautiful the shade is looking? It's giving that boss vibes. Shade is Bear Doodle, and again this is sort of a pinkish shade. So the next shade, Bear Doodle. Again you can clearly see it is super easily glidable. Perfect pinkish floral shade, I can say. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. And shade Bear Doodle, it is super easy to apply and also it is definitely not heavy on your lips. I love how beautiful and floral vibes it is giving. The last shade, which is this amazing Artsy shade, and let's just watch it. Okay, all of 3 belongs to pinkish sort of color family. Okay, so the last shade is this shade, which is Artsy, and again this is one of my favorite shade. It is super soft on your lips and I just love it. It is giving that soft lip vibes. And look at this gorgeous shade. तीनों shades सभी skin tones पे it will work wonders. I can say you all will love it. Just blindly go for this lipsticks, I can say, because now why I am saying this, because these lipsticks are completely affordable. Okay, completely affordable. You get this lipsticks for rupees 400. Usually इसकी initial जो price है 400 rupees की है, but now if you go and check out the purple store, you can see there this lipstick retails only for rupees 319. That means एक lipstick की cost it's somewhat around 105 rupees, which is amazing because these lipstick are mind blowing. After for like I can say 10 to 12 minutes, I can say बहुत ज़्यादा easily बैठ जाता है lips पे. It's not that much proof, I can say, but it still stays on your lips. Okay, let me show you. See, it is kind of, see, it does much, but इतना भी नहीं हो रहा है. It stays on your lips. बहुत spread वगैरह नहीं हो रहा. Some kinds of lipstick are like आप अगर थोड़ा सा भी touch करो पूरा ज़्यादा spread हो जाएगा, वैसा नहीं. It stays. Just make sure you give this lipstick a bit time. मतलब 10 to 15 minutes is more, I can say. But yeah, these lipsticks are not smudge proof. All the skin tones will rock on these shades. You can say definitely you can go for this lipstick. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे और प्यारे shades से. And I have this 3 shades which belong to the pinkish sort of category. अगर you like, so you can go for the Artsy Quirky Nude वाले shades and you will definitely like it. Guys, I think कि आपको swatches पसंद आए होंगे, and if you want to ask something regarding this lipsticks or anything, you can just go ahead in the comment section and ask me. I will reply in 1 or 2 minutes definitely. मैं पूरा दिन ऑनलाइन रहती हूँ तो आपको अच्छे से मैं रिप्लाई दे भी सकती हूँ. And talking about this lip shades now, particularly मैं starting से जाऊंगी. Talking about the outer packaging, I'll give 10 on 10 because outer packaging is ब्यूटीफुल आई कैन से, जो आर्ट, जो डेडिकेशन है फॉर द आउटर पैकेजिंग एज वेल, जो यूजुअली लोग फेंक देते हैं, बट स्टिल the way she is dedicated towards the outer packaging as well, it's amazing I can say. color theory भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है, like white and black, it's looking amazing, classy भी है, Gen Z भी look दे रहा है, it's cool and I loved it. Outer packaging is something very impressive and eye-catching. And then talking about the inner packaging, it's minimal and it's up to the point that की shade का नाम है सब information outer packaging में, तो shade का नाम is only on the inner packaging and the brand's name. Again, the texture and formula of the lipstick amazing guys. The formula is top notch. It's highly pigmented. You don't even have to glide in for like twice or thrice for the shade. It's highly pigmented. Now talking about the highest and the main point, which is price. It's super duper affordable. You are getting 3 lipstick for ₹390. The thing which is important for me ki agar I am paying for something, I make sure that the product whichever or whatever I am taking should be worth the price. Okay, worth the price. But this is, the product is worthy. Okay, the product is definitely worthy. I can say I love the formula. I love everything about it. And again, I will definitely thank Nidhi because she have launched a beautiful gem I can say. And again one more point कि आपको अगर single shades लेने हैं इनके, अगर set में नहीं लेना, you just want a single shade, then you can definitely go and purchase it. Single shade पे भी available है. You have gorgeous 18 shade guys. Just what are you waiting for? Go and grab this offer. Okay, so that was all about the shades on my hands, swatches on my hands, and lip swatches in the all. Overall, like considering everything, that packaging, outer packaging, inner packaging, price, I will give overall 9.5 ranking. Again, the one thing that I think that matte, मतलब matte तो है, matte finish है इसका, but the thing is that it's not smudge proof. And कैसे summer के time and all, it's quite difficult to keep focus on your lipsticks and lips, कि smudge हो रहा है नहीं. Only that thing is which I think should be considered. But rest all everything is really nice I can say. And they are super mini and they are super cute. Again, packaging, again talking about the packaging, it's super cute, it's super travel friendly. So yeah guys, that was all about today's video. I hope you like it. And yeah, if you like the video, what you have to do, you have to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can share with your friends also जिनको ये lipstick पसंद है. And definitely birthdays वगैरह है ना, आपकी दोस्त तो किसको भी ये set उनको gift कर देना, they will to love it. And usually we go for buying cakes and all जो almost 350 के आगे ही होते हैं, तो this is a perfect gift idea as well I can say. 319 में है यार, it's not even 320, so you can go and grab this and you can say like happy birthday. They will love it. Okay, they will love it. So go for this lip shades. You all will love it. Your friends will also love it. And yeah, if you like the video, please love me also and like, share and subscribe, which will help me a lot. Thank you for watching. I hope your day goes well. And yeah, we'll meet in the next video super soon. Till then, bye bye.